my name is Lau Yu Chung. My app idea is the English learning app for primary students. For the app idea, the learning app is for the primary students to do the exercise, practice, and quiz to improve English. Students can get the reward after finishing a task and to exchange some useful items. For teacher, the app can let teacher to check the report to know the performance of the student and give the feedback. They can also fill the leaderboard and know the student achieved how many rewards. For parents, the app can let parents to fill the progress and report of their children. Parents can collect the feedback from the teacher about their children. They can also know their children achieved how many rewards. In the index, for start page, user can select login or register a new account. In login page, user can enter the name and password to log in. In role, user can select the role of student, teacher, or parents. For the student registers, student can enter the student number, name, gender, school, class, and the password. For the teacher registers, they can enter the name, school, subject, and the password. For the parent registers, they can enter the name, relationship, address, and the password. In the home page of student can choose to do the exercise, quiz, practice, or fill the achievement. And student can click the currency to the reward page to exchange some useful items. In the exercise is for students to do a revision of the content. Students can select the topic to start the exercise. And students can fill the topics and have how many correct answers. And after students start doing the exercise, students need to answer some questions in the exercise. After choose the answer, it will show that is correct or wrong. After submit the correct answer, it will have an explanation of the question. After finish the exercise, it will show how many questions is correct or wrong. For the quizzes, they have 2 quizzes of each topic. Students can see the score and which quizzes is not finished. There have 10 questions in the quiz. Students need to answer all the questions and submit. After finish the quiz, students can know how many questions is correct or wrong. They can see the score and how many rewards of diamond. Practice is the extra homework for students to improve their English. And they have 4 main topics of the reading, writing, listening, and speaking. For the reading, first, students need to read some standards for the question. Then, students need to answer all the questions and submit. Finally, it will show how many questions is correct or wrong. For the writing, students need to write some simple sentence for each question. Then, it will show spend how much time to finish the writing practice. And for the listening, students need to listen the audio to find the keyword and write down the correct answer. Then it will show how many question is correct or wrong. And for the speaking, students need to, according to the question and the hints, to speak for the content. Then it will show spend how much time to finish the speaking practice. For the achievement, there will show different kinds of achievement, and including the daily login, finish how many tasks, and also get how many tasks of full mark. For the reward, in the count page, students can collect the count by doing exercise and practice. Students can spend some coins to exchange for stationery from the teacher. And for the diamond, students can only get diamond by doing the quiz. And students can spend some diamonds to exchange for a chance to have a meal in the restaurant from their parents. In the homepage of teacher can check the report, give the feedback of a student, fill the leaderboard and the reward. In report, teacher can choose the fill the student report or the class report. And this is the student list. Students have the student list and choose to fill the student report or give the feedback. For the student report, teacher can fill the student report to know the performance of the student in a long period of time. Teacher can fill the class report to compare the performance of different classes. For the feedback, teacher can provide the feedback to their parents for the children. Teacher can state the learning performance and write down some comments. For the leaderboard, teacher can fill the leaderboard to know the ranks and score of different students. For score, teacher can click the student from the leaderboard and to fill the score of all the quizzes. For the reward, teacher can know the student, exchange how many stationery as the reward. Then, teacher will give the reward to the student in the real lesson. And this is the homepage of parents. Parents can fill the progress, report, feedback, and reward of their children. In children progress, students can fill the children progress to know the learning progress of their children. In children report, parents can fill the children report to know the performance of their children. For the feedback, parents can fill the feedback from the teacher, and parents can know the performance and comment of their children. For the reward, parents can know their children exchange how many times to have a meal in the restaurant. Then, parents will set a weekend to reward their children for having a meal in the restaurant. And this is the end of my presentation.